Ladies and gentlemen, where is the headquarters for Uber? Oh my God. Online. Do you know Uber is very safe? I'm not advertising. Do you know Uber is very safe? How do you trust Uber? Do you know that after you've enjoyed the ride, they send you a receipt in your email showing the name of the driver, the type of the car, the number plate. They show you the distance. They show you the rates they charged you. If you called the Uber and you took time when you were seated into Imperial Real and you made him to wait, you have to pay for the time wasted. Do you know that? Now, at the end of the day, you have a receipt in your email. It is reducing the risks, unlike before when you used to use the special guys. You could just bump onto someone that, please, can you drop me to Rubowa? But you don't know that person. Maybe it is late hours. Are we together? We saw some of the people inside here, they missed their loved one. Are we together? We've seen safe border coming in. That is technology. But also we have our brothers who are still operating traditionally. But again, people have started enjoying safe border. Why? The distance where they take you for 10,000, safe border is saying no. For us, we can take you for 4,000. So what does it mean? You, the person who is using the button on the phone, oh my God, you are spending a lot. My brother here, who is using the smartphone, is saving. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Again, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share with you this. Today, if you get out of this conference hall, maybe you are going to buy a smartphone. Do not just buy a smartphone. Are we together? Look at the quality of the smartphone, because today, I will just share with you my experience. Some 2 months back, I went to the Bank of Africa. I have an account in Bank of Africa. But guess what happened? These guys, they refused to give me the ATM card. And they told me, use your smartphone, download the application. Are we together? Then, they told me the advantages of downloading the application for Bank of Africa. For Visa card, you've been withdrawing 2 million. But for the application, you'll be in position to withdraw 8 million a day. Ladies and gentlemen, I had to follow what they told me to do. I downloaded the application. Guess what? On the application, I can deposit my money. On the application, I can withdraw my money when I'm seated inside here. On the application, I can send you the money, maybe which you are demanding me. Unlike the Visa, that is technology. Meaning that I'm transforming my phone to be my bank. I will take time to go to my bank branch. Are we together? The reason why these things are coming, it is because the technology is increasing. The world is moving on a terrible speed. Right now, look at Uganda. We are on the 4G internet network. We have just launched. But I know inside here there are some people who have refused to upgrade from 3G to 4G internet network. That's why when I send you a notification, your phone takes a period of time when it is loading. Are we together? And yet the person who upgraded to the 4G internet network, this person, the internet is so fast. As soon as you send a message like this, it has opened. Are we together? I believe everybody would love to have that. Now, what does it mean? We have talked about the application. The smartphone you are buying, buy the smartphone which is strong enough, which can download the applications. it must be in position to download the Uber. It must be in position to download Safe Border. It must be in position to download Bank of Africa app. Even when you're in the village, maybe you had a family meeting and they required you to pay something. You just got your application and withdraw money, and you tell them, here it is, my money is here. As simple as that. Time saving. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Now, what are we saying? I am here to share with you briefly what S-Block means. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at S-Block. We are looking at blockchain. We are looking at cryptocurrency. But again, we should not forget about where our elders came from. When you look at where the world has come from, ladies and gentlemen, we have come from very far away. Think about it. Do you remember some 20 years back, there was a commercial bank? Do you remember? But before commercial bank, our grandies, they used to keep money in their houses. Some of them, they could keep their money in the pots. Others, they could keep their money under the hole which they managed to dig from their houses. You remember? Others, they could keep under the mattress. You remember that time? Then when commercial bank came, it was operating in analog format. Allow me to use that word. Guess what happened? If maybe you were coming from Luero or you were coming from Masaka, there was a branch for commercial bank. Whenever you could go to open up an account, they could give you a passbook. You remember those days? Such that whenever you could go to deposit the money, they could indicate such and such a date. Fred Muiga deposited the money. Whenever you could go back to withdraw, they could also indicate on such and such a date. Fred Muiga withdrew this amount of money. Now he's remaining with this balance. You remember those days? But when the computer came in 1990, changed everything. That's where we saw internet coming in. But those days, to withdraw the money from Kampala branch commercial bank, it was very hard. You needed to go back to Luero or to Masaka where you opened the account from. Whenever you could bring the businesses in Kampala, maybe you brought maize in Nakasero market and you have gotten a lot of money. You needed to go with that sack of money to deposit it where you opened the account from. You remember those days? Now, when the internet came, simplified everything. You open the account from Fort Portal. You can deposit the money from Kampala. You can withdraw the money from Mbale. Are we together? You can deposit from Gulu. The internet simplified everything. Now, in the world of cryptocurrency, we are saying we have the blockchain. Blockchain, it is a complex. Cryptocurrency have 5%. Cryptocurrency have 5% on blockchain technology. Are we together? The 95%, it has come to affect other sectors. But again, we are saying, for cryptocurrency, there must be an account where somebody can keep money. That's why S-Block has come. It is just an inter-blockchain multi-currency wallet which appreciates and manages your digital asset. It is a blockchain which manages and appreciates your digital asset or your money. Now, this blockchain wallet, we have been having some blockchain wallets before, ever since Bitcoin was created, where we could save our money, where we could keep our money, where we could deposit and withdraw our Bitcoin. But because the technology is increasing every single day, the owners of S-Block, blockchain wallet, they came up with a well-advanced technology, and they created a blockchain application wallet where you can deposit your Bitcoin, you can deposit Ethereum, Litecoin, name it. We have over 2,400 cryptocurrencies. You can withdraw your cryptocurrency on that particular wallet. You can as well go ahead and save your cryptocurrency, and you start speculating Bitcoin has gone up or it has come down. Then, the advancement of S-Block multi-currency wallet, we are going to discover that for it, you can go ahead and buy as many currencies on that particular wallet. They have various wallets. In the language of paper money, we call it accounts, or the language of banks. It has various accounts, just like the way how you can walk into the bank and you open up a dollar account, you open up a euro account, you open up a Ugandan shilling account. Also, this blockchain wallet comprises Bitcoin wallet, comprises Ethereum wallet, Litecoin wallet, USDT stable coin. In this stable coin, if you find that the volatility of Bitcoin is so high, and maybe you own one Bitcoin, just convert it to the stable currency. So that if you had converted $10,000, it will remain $10,000. That's the beauty about the stable wallets. And it has the SBO wallet. Now, on this particular wallet, you're going to use it to stake your money there. Instead of saving the money and you look at the speculation of Bitcoin, it has gone up, it has come down, you can save, you can stake your money. Now, when you stake your money, you'll find that your money is appreciating every single day. The appreciation, it is between 6 to 15% interest every after Saturdays. I have seen so many people who have Bitcoins. I have seen so many people who have blockchain wallet on their smartphone. But they leave their Bitcoins when they are on the saving account, and they become affected with the value, the volatility of the market. Now here, the S-Block is giving you a chance that convert those Bitcoins into staking. When you stake them, you get the interest out of it. Even if you stake tonight, tomorrow you'll get the interest out of it. Your capital will remain, and you'll start getting the interest out of it. If you stake $300, if you stake $100, it is going to keep on appreciating every single day. Let it be $50. Even if it is $10, you can stake. Now, we are going to discover that the beauty about this blockchain wallet, the moment you stake your money, it is a complete bank in the world of cryptocurrency. Blockchain has come, blockchain, it is a complex. Now, you after lending your money, where are they going to use your money? Just like the way how you fix your money into the bank. The bank goes ahead to negotiate with you, and they give you interest, maybe annually. It depends to the terms and conditions you agreed upon. Now, what is going to happen, you're going to find that the money you fixed in the bank, they lend it to other people. But your interest is not all about who has taken your money from the bank. It's all about what interest. Now, here, when you stake your money, there are some people who are going to borrow your money from the blockchain wallet to trade with it. They are going to mine with it. That's why my brother talked about the master notes. They are going to use it for remittance. Ladies and gentlemen, worldwide, people, they are into remittance. In Uganda here, we have so many, our brothers who have gone to UAE. But every time you are stuck, maybe you've fallen sick and you wanted your son to bail you out. You just make a phone call or you go to WhatsApp. You ask him from UAE, please, can you bail me with 100,000? Now, what he's going to do is going to transfer the money from UAE to Uganda by using Western Union. But every time you deposit, they charge. Every time you receive, they charge. Now, that's why you're going to find that there is a remittance taking place from S-Block. You can send money from here to America. You can send money from here to Japan. You can receive the money in the world of cryptocurrency. As simple as that. Now, here, after we have seen the lending, can we go? We are going to discover that since it is a complete bank, it has come up with what we call SPay, or interstellar payment. S-Block multi-currency wallet has come up with an ATM machine, has come up with the merchant machines, has come up with the Visa cards. They have already got the license for Visa. And you can use cryptocurrency, which you have loaded onto your card or your Visa card or your MasterCard to spend. Just like the way how I'm in this hotel, I have my Visa card. I can decide to go to the cashier. I spend after getting the services. Just like the way how we have been doing before. Now, we are going to discover that you can walk to any merchant because he has a merchant machine, you have a Visa card, and you swap. Maybe you take your shoe or you take your dress or your whatever you've selected. Then from there, we are going to discover that. Can we go ahead? These guys, they have a technology called the Fanase. Along the way, my dear ladies and gentlemen, we shall be looking at what that technology means in the world of cryptocurrency as time goes on, because we are here to keep on training our fellow Ugandan to understand what cryptocurrency means, what blockchain means, and its complexity. Let us go ahead. We are going to discover that. Let us go ahead. Wow, that's what I wanted. S-Block multi-currency blockchain wallet has already acquired the license for digital banking, has acquired the license for insurance, has acquired the license for crypto wallets. Crypto wallets, we have been talking about the blockchain wallets, where you can keep your just like the way how somebody can have a dollar account, a euro account, a Uganda shilling account. Also in the world of cryptocurrency, because we have various cryptocurrencies worldwide, which has been created. The banks have created individuals like Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Richard Branson, JP Morgan. They have created countries like Estonia, Japan, they have created. Now, we have various cryptocurrencies, but each and every cryptocurrency has what we call a crypto wallet. Just like the way how we can say Ugandan shilling has a Uganda shilling account. If you go in GFCU, you open up a Uganda shilling account. If you go to KCB, you open up a Uganda shilling account. But again, there are some dollar account, there are some euro account, or Kenyan shilling account. You cannot mix. Meaning that if you deposit Ugandan shilling, now in the time of withdrawing, you will withdraw from Ugandan shilling, unless if you ask the bankers to sell you the dollars. As simple as that. Now, We have a crypto wallet. We have a crypto exchange license. And also we have got the crypto remittance license. Ladies and gentlemen, these are some of the good news which they are going to announce for the global event which is going to be conducted in Dubai on 20th, the coming month. That is after, is it tomorrow? They are going to announce them. Those are the good news. Now, what are we saying? We are saying here we can as well enjoy using blockchain wallet. Before, we have been using the blockchain wallet for the last 10 years, ever since Bitcoin was created. We have been having a wallet which we could download onto our smartphone. And indeed, no one can hack a blockchain wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, my brother Sadat was talking about the blockchain. A blockchain, you cannot hack it. It is unhackable. You can hack the crypto exchange. You can hack anything, but a blockchain, it is unhackable. That's why whenever we are opening up or we are downloading the application for blockchain, we advise people that the dangers which is into using those applications, we don't allow people to share gadgets. Security number one, we don't allow people to share gadgets. We don't allow people to use public Wi-Fi. Just like 1 week back, I was in Thailand when the company was launching the quantitative trading. But I was forced to buy a SIM card at the Bangkok airport. Why? I needed to use my private internet. The disadvantage with cryptocurrency, if you are dealing in cryptocurrency, should you share internet, there are some people whose gadget have the tracking device where they can, you find that they can keep your password, your detail, in other words. So, just like I'm in this hotel, if I use the Wi-Fi for this hotel, maybe I ask somebody who is using the laptop and I ask that person, please help me. I log into my account. That person maybe he has a device which is tracking. I may pretend that I have logged out, but he has retained the passwords, both for email and for the crypto wallet or for blockchain wallet. Now, after you disappearing, he can do anything because he has access to your money. It's like the way how you can go to the bank and you open up your bank account. If you open up a bank account and they give you ATM machine, ATM card, and you go back home and you share out your PIN code, ladies and gentlemen, in case of any misunderstanding, somebody has a PIN code, can access your money. Isn't it? We have seen it. That's why they say it is for personal. Are we together? Now, here we normally advise that never share the gadget in terms of logging into crypto wallets. Do not share computer, do not share public Wi-Fi. Make sure that it is private. If you don't have the private Wi-Fi, give it time. Don't log in. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Those are some of the dangers. But normally, when we are downloading the blockchain wallet, we normally go ahead to tell our members that please back up some of the information. When you are downloading the blockchain wallet, they ask you to back up. If you don't back up, in the case of the loss of the phone, you lose because you cannot retrieve. You did not back up. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? Mobitegede. Now, what are we saying? Today, everybody has a smartphone. What do you need to do? Just visit your smartphone. I believe everybody has a smartphone. Go to your Google Play Store. You can go and put in www.sblock.com and you download the application. Simple like that. Now your phone is going to be a digital banking phone. You are going to turn your smartphone into a cash machine. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? I do train people how to trade cryptocurrency. I did the course of forex trading. The moment I landed onto this opportunity of blockchain and cryptocurrency, so I needed to learn and to compare the two. In forex trading, what do they do? In crypto trading, what happened? What is the difference between cryptocurrency trading and forex trading? One thing I will say, it is this. Forex trading in Kampala here, Uganda, they call it gambling. Why? The first people who received the opportunity of forex trading, they spoiled the market. Are we